Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SESN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. This one has been on a very nice move, and right now things are looking a little bit shaky. Does not mean that anything negative is going to happen. But at the same time, any sort of further, price pulling back here would not be shocking. But you got to keep in mind, there's a difference between a pullback and a reversal. So just because a price may pull back some more doesn't mean that everything's going to totally reverse. Now, can a pullback turn into a reversal? Yeah, absolutely. But sometimes you use the word pullback and people freak out and say, no, it's not going to reverse. Well, I didn't say it was going to reverse. I said it could be a pullback. And at this situation, looking like a deeper pullback could very well be underway due to this pattern that we have forming, throughout the course of the past couple of days. And this is what, I would call a little miniature descending triangle here, which just shows that, yeah, there's been a big move upwards, sure, which has been great. And that's what's put in the chart at an overall bullish perspective. But now the price is starting to show signs of weakness because the price all day long trended downwards. Once again, just to reiterate, there's no such thing as a guarantee. So just because the price trended downwards does not mean that for sure this price is going to pull back even further. My point is that there is definitely some signs here of weakness on the bulls part. And, that trend line represents that. Now, the price could very well just pull back here, find some support at that level right there, which, you can see right there. And right there has, acted as support already. But it also would not be shocking at all to see the price potentially pull back here a bit deeper. So go down to that $1.40 mark, which is the value of that trend line, and then push through there. And if the price were to do that, the next key overall area of support would be down there right around the $1.35 mark. So keep an eye on those levels. But again, even if the price, let's say, did go down to this area, not saying it will, but even if it did come down, that's still just a pullback. So meaning it goes down there, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Then what would you have from the big picture point of view? Well, you'd still have set of lows there, you'd have that low down there, you'd have that low down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, overall, you'd still be perfectly fine. So that's why I really reiterate, there's a big difference between a pullback and a reversal. Now, if the price goes down to $1.35 and just crashes down below there, that's a whole nother situation. But, just having the price pull back here at $1.35 would not be the end of the world by any sort of the, stretch of the imagination. So we'll see what happens with this one. But yeah, if I was forced into a corner, I would say that it's looking like this one's got more of a pullback to come. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.